Okay, inside the Tommy camper, the door, it's fairly easy to close inside the camper. Put in custom shelving, better use of space. If you didn't want to put the custom shelving in, you're a bit of a cold weather person, and you wanted a diesel heater, that'd be a good spot to run your diesel heater. On the other side, we've got the seat. The seat is a lift-up seat, so you've got room underneath it. I want to get rid of that toilet where the toilet is now. It's a great spot for it, but I need something in the foyer that I can use as a step-up on Annette's side, my wife's side. I can use as a seat when we need to use a second seat in here, even though they call this a two-seater. If you're two tiny little 6-year-olds, you'd sit there easy. 2 adults, it's very uncomfortable. The back bench there, that's a bit of custom made there. It is carpeted underneath that, but there's no ridge or anything, so it's pretty much good for nothing. I put a little bench on there with a little lip so that anything put on it. There's also non-slip surface there, so when I put my bag on it, the bag stays there. In relation to the walls, really good quality canvas. It doesn't get too hot in here, doesn't get too cold in here. The ceiling's carpeted. Don't get a lot of moisture. A little bit, not a lot. Certainly nothing to worry about, provided you keep a little bit of airflow in the camper. 2 handles on the ceiling, they're in a good spot, pushing it up and pulling it down. As you can see, when you pull it down, all the ribs are designed so they bend in, so you don't have anything on the outside of the thing pushing the canvas in. It's just automatic. The zips on the canvas are excellent, a nice big tooth, really strong. Never had an issue with a zip. For my bed, I've got a 100mm mattress, just a normal foam mattress from Clark Rubber with a really good topper on it, and then we've got our bed clothes on top of that. When the roof closes, there's plenty of room. We just need to space those pillows out a bit. They don't go all, big bunch up the back. Space the pillows out a bit. I can even leave my my computer case up here as well. The lighting in here is poor, that's why we've got these extra lights on here. Turn that one off. We've got these extra lights, they're yellow lights, so that at night you don't want bugs in and you've got the door open. You can put your yellow lights on. Not totally immune to bugs, but certainly way better than a white light. So we seem to use these lights way more than we use these lights. These lights haven't got any sort of adjustment and they're not yellow, they're just a white light. Need to put better lights in, I think. Pockets either side of the bed, it's great for nighttime. Put all your bits and pieces in there, your phone, your water, and hankies or whatever else you've got beside the bed. So I lift the mattress up and I slide the additional poles for my awning. Overall, the comfort inside is excellent. The bed's excellent, really love the bed. And the foyer, plenty of room for getting dressed, plenty of room to have your portaloo in the night time. Privacy screen, that's the only thing. This and the awning are the only things on my camper that were given to me. They were given to me by 230, so thank you very much, 230. They didn't pay me anything and they didn't ask me to do a review. They just donated their awning and their privacy screen. The privacy screen is excellent. I like the black. You don't silhouette at night. When you've got the perfect body like myself and you've got a light going in there having a shower, you prefer people not looking. Black plastic here, and that works really well. There's no silhouette. The straps at the top I cut. They were very long and dangly, so I've cut them. It comes with 4 straps to tie in the canvas when it's rolled up. I got rid of 2 of them. You only need 2. It's not very big. And then you zip up the bag. I don't know why there's 4. I use this all the time, absolutely all the time. An excellent privacy screen. Zip here. There's also a zip in the middle of the back door that gives you access to the door at the rear of your car, which is really good when you're having a shower and you want to put your clothes somewhere dry. Whenever I put it up, over the many times that I have put it up, I've learnt to tag this bottom corner here first away from my canopy door so that it's everything else is stretched away from it. And you'll see the way it's sitting way out from the car, so that when we get a lot of wind and it flaps about, it doesn't slap against the side of the canopy or the car. It also means I can put my door up and down without hitting that. Putting it away, putting it out, very, very simple job, but most of them are, not just 230, nearly all of them are very easy to put out and put in. The awning sits very well without any legs out. If we're just pulling up for lunch, I can put it out the full 270 degrees, we can have lunch, pack it up without ever seeing a leg or a tie down point. So that's a 230 awning. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. If you want to support the channel, go to the Patreon link in the description below, click on it and shout me a coffee. Catch you on the next video. Take care.